Yo. Wagwan! We're there again with Tommy Lee Answer. Yeah, man. This is Tommy Lee with Dismiss. It's this to Jahmiel. Yes. Jahmiel Blueface. This. Yeah? Bumbleclot. So, you don't know, like I say, war season, you know. So, we still a push badness. We still a push badness over here. Make it go here, man. Let's go.
Yeah.
Blood clot. Me, I can send it to the mag.
Me, we send it to the mag. Send it to the mag. To the mag.
6'6".
You feel like chatting alone. All of the dog, them locking a chrome. Say you walk a cut me throat, touch the road, the body that in a hole.
Say I go cut me throat, touch the road, the body that in a hole, pussy. You can't send them check that to me. I'm gonna take it light. I'm gonna just take it light. So pussy me a come for you. Oh, I'm your boy.
All of the dog, them locking a chrome. Say you walk a cut me throat, touch the road, the body that in a hole. Cup and make a catching a cold. Me want make a statement, give me on. Me send it back with a note. Funeral day, the traffic is slow. So me and mates on the crime coming like so me watching a show.
Yeah, one thing with Tommy Lee, you know, anybody call him name, you know, bro. Anybody call him name, you know, dog. He might go fire, you know, bro. I saw Tommy Lee, you know. The man up on the shading thing, you know, bro. I go call the name brawling, you know, bro.
Funeral day, the traffic is slow. So me and mates on the crime coming like so me watching a show. Pull up on the left, is chopping a road. Me capping a fort. On the 6 man, we have a coffin a hole. So now me see that keep the street cred. When I beat boy, I beat with beat lead.
Yo, the man say, yo, we not beat boy. I beat with beat lead. Yeah, man, we not beat boy, man. I gunshot.
Pull up on the left, is chopping a road. Me capping a fort. On the 6 man, we have a coffin a hole. So now me see that keep the street cred. When I beat boy, I beat with beat lead. Do not make a prayer, people, we dead. And if I this man not depart, me seek for revenge. And it over, till me say it over. Pull up on the block, I'm in the rover. Pull up on the Glock, give me. Yeah.
Yo, the man have some bumbuckler ad-libs in the dog. Family ad-libs them different, bro. Yo, the man have some sound, bro. We don't know where we get them from, bro. We have to send it to the mag. Send it to the mag. Blood clot. To the mag. Alright.
Feel like chatting alone. All of the dog, them locking a chrome. Say you walk a cut me throat, touch the road, the body that in a hole. Cup and make a catching a cold. Me want make a statement, give me on. Me send it back with a note. Funeral day, the traffic is slow. So me and mates on the crime coming like so me watching a show. Pull up on the left, is chopping a road. Me capping a fort. On the 6 man, we have a coffin a hole. So now me see that keep the street cred. When I beat boy, I beat with beat lead. Do not make a prayer, people, we dead. And if I this man not depart, me seek for revenge. And it over, till me say it over. Pull up on the block, I'm in the rover. Pull up on the Glock, give me a chauffeur. See you through the scope. Shoot the one that will give you a blowjob.
Blood clot. Man say anyway me see a little boy me a dismiss you. Yeah, man. Remember say we not beat boy and I shoot, we shoot boy and so we are gonna dismiss you. We are dismiss you, Jahmiel. That's what I tell you.
I bet me make this part on them and a clip in ya. Anyway me see a little boy me a dash away. Sparta. Yo, it's ironic. Oh, them start a war and hide from it. Can't understand it, call me like Spanish.
Man say it ironic. All them start a war and hide from it. Me can't understand it coming like Spanish. What on?
Yo, it's ironic. All them start a war and hide from it. Can't understand it coming like Spanish. Yo, it's ironic. Oh, the boy panic, try vanish. I did a try civil, no me style savage. Yo, it's ironic. Bossy friend, hear the boy vomit. Bossy 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂 with dynamics. Yo, it's ironic. Homie, sink your friendship. Another Titanic, bust them shopping up.
Man say it ironic how me sink your friendship. Not friendship as in friendship, me sink your friendship. Because remember say him been a shooter for Alkaline and Alkaline never ready to answer. So I say me sink your friendship. Yo, play upon words, you know that. Yo.
It's ironic. Homie, sink your friendship. Another Titanic, bust them shopping a pro. Walk up and bust me Glock in a crowd. If them tapping around, it a go flying, I go stopping a bound. Look how you say rebel and dropping a road. If me the young, them would hackle me round. Me have the magic and know.
Man say if me the young, them would hackle me round. Them would try bully me, but guess what? Pussy them can't bully me. Hold them.
Come in a foreign.
Look how you say rebel and drop in a road. If me the young, the mood I come around. Me have the matic to know. Me a strike, can't match it to know. Bad mind, better watch it to know. Them tell the officer about me locking guns and what's the amount. Informer get a shot in a mouth.
And so they tell the officer, say, yo, I'm locking gun. Yo. Remember saying, no, not long after this, the time they did go prison, you know, bro. So what I say, yo, remember say them tell the officer them say, yo, me a lock gun. They about informer.
The officer about me locking guns and what's the amount. Informer get a shot in a mouth. Anyone me see a little boy, me a business, yo. I bet me make this part on them, then a clip in yo.
Round one, you know.
Anyone me see a little boy, me a dash you away. Sparta.
Bumbleclad, round one, dog. Yeah, man, round one. Yo, family, big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. That warrior did nice. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Anyway, but this is the round one of the war. I don't think I want to give you guys all of the round them same time. I just want to wait a couple of days and then drop the next two. That me think I'm going to do. Yeah, I'm going to pace it out. Like say me a clash. Yeah, me a clash. So, tomorrow, we're going to get the next two of them. Or even the next day. Understand? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think and I'll catch you in the next one though. Peace.